prove that the point on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, a greater than 0, nearest to the focus is its vertex, right? So we are going to find the nearest point to the focus. So we are going to prove that nearest point is nothing but the vertex of the parabola, right? So let px comma y be the nearest point to the focus s a comma 0 of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Hence the distance between p and s is less than or equal to a, right? We know the vertex and the distance between the vertex and the focus is a, right? That is the a is the x coordinate, right? Vertex is 0 comma 0, so 0 to a, that is the length between p that point, right? Vertex and s, but p is the nearest point, so which is less than or equal to a, that x distance, that is p x, the x coordinate of p is less than or equal to a. The distance between the focus and vertex is a, that is why. So ps, the distance ps is less than or equal to a using distance formula. So xy and a comma 0, we are using that one, root of a minus x the whole square plus 0 minus y the whole square less than or equal to a, right? So squaring both sides, so a minus x the whole square plus y square less than or equal to a square. So a square plus x square minus 2ax plus y square less than or equal to a square. So that means a square and a square get cancelled, right? Right. So remaining term x square minus 2ax plus y square less than or equal to 0. That is x square minus 2ax. So but y square is equal to 4ax, that is given. So plus 4ax less than or equal to 0. So x square plus 2ax less than or equal to 0. So taking x common, so x into x plus 2a less than or equal to 0. So either x less than or equal to 0 and x plus 2a greater than or equal to 0. Then only the product less than or equal to 0. One is positive term, one is negative term. Then product of plus and minus you will get negative, right? Otherwise, other part, either that one x is less than 0 negative or x is positive. Accordingly, x plus a is positive or x plus 2a is negative, right? That is what two conditions. Either x is less than or equal to 0 and x is greater than or equal to minus 2a. We are taking that plus 2a to the other side of the inequality. Or second pair, x greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than or equal to minus 2a. Since a is greater than 0, 2a is greater than 0, right? Hence x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than or equal to minus 2a is not possible, correct? X greater than 0 and x is less than minus 2a, so negative term, x is it is not possible, x is both positive and negative, it is not possible, that is why, right? So therefore x is less than or equal to 0 and x is greater than or equal to minus 2a. So minus 2a less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, that is equation number 1. But the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, x is greater than or equal to 0, right? Because a greater than 0, y square is always positive, therefore x should be greater than or equal to 0, that is 2. From 1 and 2, x equal to 0, because x is less than or equal to 0 and x is greater than or equal to 0 from 2. From 1, x is less than or equal to 0, so that means x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, because substituting x is equal to 0 in y square is equal to 4ax, you will get y is equal to 0. So the nearest point, that is x is 0, y is 0, that means px comma y is 0 0, that is nothing but the vertex of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. The comet moves in a parabolic orbit with sun as its focus, which the comet is 2 into 10 power 7 kilometer from the sun, right? The line from the sun to its makes an angle pi by 2 with the axis of the orbit. Find how near the comet comes to the sun. So So when the comet very near to sun, we have to find that position, that is the point. Given a comet moves in a parabolic orbit with sun as its focus, let S be the position of the sun, focus. Let P be the position of the comet when its distance from the sun is 2 into 10 power 7, right, such that the line joining the sun and the comet makes an angle pi by 2 with the axis of the orbit. So we'll see. So parabolic orbit, S is the sun, P is the position of the comet, then distance between P and S is pi by 2, that is they have given with the axis, right. This distance is 2 into 10 to the power 7. Since PS is the perpendicular axis of the parabola and passes through perpendicular to the axis, right, PS, and passes through the focus, such that PS is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 7. And let the equation of the parabola be y square is equal to 4ax. Clearly PS is equal to 2a, half of the latus rectum. The line passes, which is perpendicular to axis and passes through the focus, is called latus rectum. This is one part of the latus. Other part is other side of S, right, down, right, below the axis of the parabola, right. So PS is equal to 2a. Length of the latus rectum 4a, we know. Half of the latus rectum 2a, right. So and S a comma 0. So 2a is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 7. Therefore a is equal to 10 to the power 7, right. A is the vertex, right. The comet is near to the sun, yes, when it is at the vertex A of the parabola, right. So SA is the minimum distance between sun and the comet. So SA is equal to A, that is equal to 10 to the power 7. Thanks.